Are you in the home ownership journey? Are you looking forward to own your own home? Well, here we have a 3-bedroom bungalow, all en suite in the heart of Kiambu County. With me is Fidelis Maiba to give us more information and to take us through this beautiful house, the journey from the beginning up to where we are, 90% finished. QS,
yes.
Tell us, what are the features of the house?
Okay, it's a 140 to 150 square meter space of 3-bedroom, all en suite. We have already done even the perimeter walls. The client is almost coming in.
Okay.
Yes.
So now tell us about the foundation.
Okay, this is a slopey area. You can see it is very slopey, but the type of soil is the marram. So we did the normal strip foundation, and we did the foundations. Then the slab is just the normal slab.
So we know there are challenges that one goes through when doing the foundation. What was your greatest challenge when doing this foundation, being on a slopey ground?
The main challenge is just the levels, because like for that side we only have 2 courses only, and having this side we are having more than 5 to 8 courses. So that was the main issue. But we were able to handle because it's marram. The soil here is marram, so we didn't have so much of a challenge, just that we had a lot of backfill.
Okay.
Yeah.
So from the foundation we did the walling, right?
Yes, yes.
So how many panels did this house use?
This house used around 180 panels, and yeah, they are 2.7 meter high, and for the above part we did around 30 pieces of 3 meters. Those are around 90 pieces for the parapet walling.
Okay.
Yes.
So now tell us about how do you advise a client about the roofing aspect?
Okay, this client was specific with the hidden roof option, but you can do even the hidden or the pitch roof. For the hidden, it's just that it has a lot of work in terms of maintenance. You have to ensure that now you don't have people going above the mabatis, walking on top of the mabati, the roofing sheets. The second thing is that you need to do a lot of maintenance of ensuring that it does not have the valleys, and the gutters are not any blocked in terms of the soil and the dust and the leaves. So those are the main issues that come with the hidden roof option, but it usually gives the house a modern look. So that's why most people go with the modern hidden roof options.
One person will ask, when I do a hidden roof and when I do a hipped roof, what is the cost difference? Which is expensive, which is cheaper? Tell us more about the cost aspect of it.
In terms of the cost, we don't have any difference in costs because it's the same. Because now for the hidden roof, you're having less mabatis, less timber, but you'll be having the parapet wall. So you'll buy the parapet wall, you'll have to do the coping, the concrete coping, the white concrete coping.
Okay.
You have to do plaster works to waterproof that area. You have to do the paint works. So that cost will be the same as just having the pitch roof, where you're just buying more mabatis and more timber. So the cost aspect is the same.
So on which circumstances will the roof of the hip one be more expensive than the hidden one?
Maybe when we are changing the type of sheet. If now we are using, normally we usually use the box profile, is the most preferred type of roofing system. But now if the client wants a more high-end finish, the more high-end look, where we are having the versatile, the oriental type of mabati, the decra sheets, those are the things that will change the variance of the costs.
Okay.
Yes, because now they will need more timber, and the cost of the timber the cost of the mabatis are quite high.
Okay.
Yes.
Now tell us about through the whole construction journey of this building. How was it?
Okay, this project we started with the client very long last year. We started this project since the design stage. We did it from September last year. We did the architectural designs, then we did the county approvals for the project, and we were hand in hand. The client had his own cousin who was the architect, so we were together during the design because he was not familiar with precast. We did the design together. I handled the approval processes at Kikuyu sub-county. Then after that, we were able now to kickstart the project mid-March. That's when we started to the project.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the journey has been very smooth, very nice. The rains came.
The rains came. Yeah, it was tough because we were building during the rainy season, and our quarries here in Kikuyu and Kamango were filled with water. So getting the maram and the rocks and the foundation materials, it was very difficult. That's why we usually say it's better working with precast, because now we were holding works because lorries could not come with the foundation stones. There are some lorries that toppled down in the quarries getting maram. So we see that the hassle of using the stone is very hard, but it's up to the client's choice which type of construction they'd prefer. But for us, we prefer having precasts.
All right.
Yeah.
Now we are eager to see what you've done to this beautiful home.
Yes.
So kindly take us through from the doors.
Yeah, this is the front porch. You can see it is very big.
Yeah.
And our client we have not yet finished this area because he wants to have a grill.
Okay.
So the budget was quite high. He did not have additional capital to finish up. So later on, he will come and do the grill.
Okay.
And yeah, it is a very good, spacious place. You can see the light. We face the house where the sun is. So in the evening, the house will be very warm.
So when you talk about the entrance, I can see there is a ramp and there are stairs. What is the reason behind this?
The ramp is just to ensure that if you have somebody who is physically challenged, they can be able to have the ramp. So once the grill will be done, that's when now the rail will be done.
Okay.
And backfilling has not yet been done. That's why you can see we have very deep areas. But once we backfill, the areas will be good.
Okay.
Yes.
So we go to our windows, our beautiful windows and doors.
Yes.
Tell us more about them.
This, we have fabricated them in our factory, in our yard, and you can see it has its own burglar. We wanted to show you the burglar.
Okay.
Most people usually ask whether we do burglar. The windows themselves are burglar proof already, and our client decided to have the one-way type of glass. Okay. And yeah, all this, even the doors, they have been fabricated at our yard.
What about the design? You see, this is a different design from another house.
Yeah.
How do you deal with that design?
The client is the one who does all the choices, from the tiles, from the finish of the windows, and how we will design the windows. We usually share the photos. They come up with their own designs. They choose the best one. Then that's what we fabricate on site.
So all this is done by Bate?
Yeah. All this is done by us.
Yeah. So you can take us through. Let me open the door for you.
It's very heavy.
It's a heavy one. Good material here.
Yes.
Now take us through the house.
You can see this is the living room space. Very big. You can see the amount of windows that we have here. So many, very big. Look at the tile work. We have already finished up on the tile work. The client decided how do we call it?
The veins. A vein.
This is the vein type of tiles. These are the steel casement. We are not saying the type of material. This is steel.
Yeah.
It's a steel window. And if we discuss the roof, the ceiling we have the gypsum. This is what we call the gypsum one level. It is one level. We don't have the
patterns, the designs,
and we don't have the snake lights. Okay. Yes. So this is a standard house. We usually price for this, where we have the one level with some downlighters all around and a very good ceiling mount. Yeah. So this is, the client was okay with the design, and you can see the amount of sockets we have in the house.
And I can see
a lot of sockets.
This is a big sitting.
Yeah, so we can go to the dining space and be able to see.
Quite big.
Very big. You can see from the space.
This is a big one.
It's a very big dining, and it is open to the kitchen. You can see how big the space is.
I can see.
Yeah, and we have the lights and the downlighters again. It is everywhere in all the spaces in the house. Okay. We have all that. Yeah, now this is a corridor. We had said in our projects we don't design corridors, but now this one we were doing hand in hand with the cousin to the client. So that's when his option is to have a corridor. So we just move with the designs. Yeah, this is the door to the kitchen.
Wow.
Very good. Very good.
This is a highlight. You do your things here, and nobody can see you from the sitting, dining, then you put it on.
Yeah. It was the client's design. He came and said he wanted something like this. Our team was able to do how he wanted it. Okay. Yes.
So what have you used for to coat the top?
The top, we have the ceramic tiles. You can see this is ceramic tiles. The color just looks like marble, but these are the longer one. You see one tile comes up to here. These are the longer ones, so that you can just have only one joint in the middle.
Just like a marble,
Just like
granite.
the marble granite here.
Okay.
So we have not yet finished here. Even for the sinks, we have a very good sink, and yeah, very good. And the client has done a heater. You can see we have a heater here.
Yeah.
This is the client's choice. He added it. It was not at our quotation, but we usually work hand in hand. If the client wants something to be added, he just talks to our fundi. They get the good quality.
Yeah.
Then also this was not part of us, but the client was able to handle it.
I can see.
Yes.
Is there a design behind this? I can see this. To my thinking, I can think.
Yeah.
What if I have backsplash of water so my cabinet will not get damaged?
Yes.
What was the reason behind it?
Mainly it would have come up to here. It was not a design per se, but it's something that came out very well. But this door is what made
the tile
it does
to
have this corner.
Okay.
But it came out very well.
It complements and maybe it gives a reason to that.
Yes. We have here where we'll be having a cooker.
Okay.
It has not yet been installed. We have the mounts.
The table mount.
Everything is mounted. These are client's materials. He has just bought them. Everything will be mounted here, from the cooker unit to the oven. We have already prepared everything. Even for this one, they'll mount it, and we have a hood here. So these were additional items the client did for the project.
So if these are not included, the client has bought them, we just install for him.
Yes, we help out because we are the ones who are able to install them for him. So he'll be able now to be happy.
Okay.
Yes, you can see the pantry. Yes, it's a very good space. You can
good
see.
one.
It is big.
It's
Even
big.
now
I can fit here.
Yes,
as big as I am.
And we have a glass there and a window
For aeration.
For aeration. Yes, and this is the back porch.
Okay.
This is the back porch. We are finishing up with it. You can see we have already grilled it.
Okay.
We have a Adobe sink here, and a laundry machine will be placed here. That's why we have a socket here. Yeah, very, very well designed. And the grill will ensure that now the security of this space will be finished. Now, right now we are cleaning up as we finish up on some of the final items. You can see the kitchen is closed so that you can be able to have your own privacy.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
So here we are going to show you the first bedroom.
Okay.
You can see the bedroom is very
big.
Very big.
It's big.
We are currently finishing up on the cabinets. Those are the doors to the cabinets.
Yeah.
You see the window, the light is coming in.
And the air. You see, this is the only closed place in this window. This one.
Yes.
All this is open.
Yes. So the breeze, when I'm feeling some cold while I'm here.
Yes.
And we have the perimeter wall here.
Exactly.
And we are having a very good breeze here.
Okay.
So these doors, we are finishing up on the doors. Yeah, so this room does not have a toilet. Our client ordered it outside.
Okay.
So we have a toilet, and you can stand into the shower area.
Okay.
So this is the toilet.
Yeah.
And that is the shower space. We have already installed everything, even the shower.
Yes.
This is where now we'll be doing a glass mirror here. And you see, this is where you'll be washing
your hands.
We have not yet done the water.
Okay.
So we can come to the second bedroom.
Okay.
Yes.
Quite big. Very big.
Very big.
This can fit almost 2 beds and another one.
Yes, it is very big. You can see the window also is very good.
Yeah.
We are currently finishing up. You can see the cabinetries. They are working on this is the hanging areas. And also
help you open
this
here.
is the foldable areas are also here.
Quite many.
Yeah, a lot. So even the other areas will be finished. And this is ensuite.
Okay.
You can go to that section.
This is like the cubicle?
Yes. This was the client choice. He decided us to have this so that she can be able to have the cubicle
Glass
on that
cubicle.
side. And the toilet is on this side.
Yeah.
These are the shower or the Frenchian toilets that we usually use. I showed you into the video. The Frenchian, it is called the Frenchian toilet, and these are the ones which we have in our projects.
And we have the accessories done.
Yes, the accessories are done. The type of lighting in the bedroom, we have this bulb, and we have the down lighters. This is what we have in our projects.
Okay.
So when we give you a quotation, this is the standard way of how we do. So we want to show you the master bedroom so that you can be able to see how the master looks like.
Massive.
Big.
Massive.
Very, very big.
With many cabinetries.
Yeah.
If I was choosing a house, I would choose this one.
And you see the amount of cabinets that
So many.
We are currently finishing up on the cabinetries. We have
see?
the foldable areas. We have a lot of. Yes. They are well done. We have already finished. The fundis are currently finishing up.
Yeah.
These doors are for the remaining areas. And you can see it is very spacious. Very spacious.
And well lit.
And well lit. And now we can come to the bedroom section so that you can be able to see the shower. They are currently finishing up. They are connecting the shower. It is not yet finished.
Yeah.
And now the toilet, we are still using the Frenchian ones. The toilet is here. You can see how big our bedrooms are. And yeah, this is when we say 147 square meter. This is what we mean. The house is very spacious, very big. And yeah, we want to thank the client for giving us this job, for allowing us and working together with us so that we can be able to ensure that we have delivered the project. And yeah, that's the main thing, to ensure that we have worked on the project, finished. We have done this project in less than 8 weeks. It was very fast in terms of construction because the client wanted to come in as fast as possible. And we have already done the perimeter wall. We will show them the perimeter wall. We have finished the perimeter wall. Also precast. So this client wanted everything precast. Everything precast, and that's what we have done. And yeah, we are happy for that.
So another question that people will ask, if a client come in and decide to make a change somewhere, how do you handle it?
Yes, we usually talk with the client because we have a well-documented bill of quantities. If we have price for this length of cabinets and the client wants to add additional cabinets, we will just give them the quotation, how much it will cost. Then they'll agree whether we do it or not. Now, so everything is that. If our client does not want this type of bulb in her project or her house, we'll be able to tell her this bulb, I buy it at 800 to 1200 shillings. Now, the one which you'll bring, how much will it cost? Now, we'll do the math. They will add the additional costs for that. Yeah, so everything is just communication. If the client wants a different type of socket from this, this socket we buy it at around 200 to 300 shillings. And you want the black one or the gold one, it costs at around 900 to 1,000 shillings. You just count how many they are, then they top up the cash. And all with that, everything is in agreement.
That is in order.
Yes.
We appreciate. I hope you have loved the experience of visiting. It's actually like visiting the house with me. Thank you so much, Chris Fidelis, for giving us such a beautiful home. I know the owner will really appreciate and love the home, and you have made it homely.
Yes,
thank you so much. Continue following us at Build with Fidelis on YouTube. Subscribe, like, share, right? Leave a comment down below. If interested, give us a call or write a text message. That is WhatsApp, so that we can be able to give you a feedback. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, visit our website, everywhere. Follow us everywhere. Let's preach the precast news. Thank you so much. Be blessed.
Thank you very much.